NUPI LAN 1 and NUPI LAN 2. Now in the book, let's turn to page 138. And over the years, I don't know why students always confuse NUPI LAN 1 and NUPI LAN 2. Now in the book, I think it will help if we start right now. Now the first NUPI LAN takes place in 1904 and the next one is in 1939. There's a gap of 35 years between these two. So please don't confuse it. Now the first NUPI LAN, 1904, a fire which broke out in the political agent's bungalow. And then the British ordered all the people of Imphal to go up to Cabo Valley. Quite a distance, isn't it? They said you go to Cabo Valley, you get the teak or the timber. So this was the issue in 1904. They ordered men to go to Cabo Valley, get that teak and rebuild this bungalow. In this case, the women of Manipur resisted. And now at that time, there was a system also called LALUP, in which everyone have to contribute their labor. When this order came, 5,000 women protested, and it lasted for about 1 week. And the British also, they had to consider, and they revoked or they cancelled that order. Now, okay, let's look at NUPI LAN 2. Now, second NUPI LAN is 1939. The reason is rice, or the rice business was, even the rice mills were controlled by the Marwari businessmen. In 1939 also, one thing you need to remember is that there was too much rain and there was hail also. Hail is ice.
We call it gale.
Gale, yes. So when that happened in 1939, excessive rain was there and it damaged the rice. And the farmers and the public, they appealed to the Darbar. Darbar means the government of Manipur at that time, with the Maharaja and with the political agent. What happened was that in the beginning they said, yes, we won't export rice. Rice could be less this year. The businessmen who were controlling the rice export, that means going outside Manipur, they put pressure on the government. And again, the government reversed the order. This situation, it hit the poor very hard in Manipur. And then on the 12th of December, remember this date, December 12th, it is still observed today as NUPI LAN Day. Maharaja Churachand Singh was not there in Manipur, he was outside. So they could not take any decision. The women of Manipur, they took the British political agent, they took him to the telegraph office and they sort of forced him to send a telegram to the Maharaja. This doesn't give you the full picture. Do you see even women in the background? It's not very clear, yes, it's out of focus. Now the estimate is that about 4,000 women, they were gathered and they took the political agent by force. Now this building is the telegraph office. This is where they send messages or telegraphs. And then the Assam Rifles arrived to disperse women and they used bayonets. And then the women also respond by throwing stones and many has been injured. And the Maharaja heard about this. The Maharaja gave an order, no more sending rice outside. So 1939 is also important because it shows the importance of women in political movements in agitation, especially for Manipur. Do you know this Imam market, Khoramband Bazaar, or let us say Tangal Bazaar? Have you been there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it was closed even after 1939. It was closed for almost 1 year in protest. Women were angry. Why did British soldiers have to use force on us? Some of them got hurt very seriously. Poked with